Many times, people argue that, why are we spending billions on space when people on Earth are starving? And on the surface, it's a reasonable argument. But when you look deeper, you'll realize that this type of thinking misses the bigger picture. Space exploration isn't just about Mars or the Moon. It's about investing in solutions, better technologies, and a better future for all of us. This might sound a little confusing, so allow me to explain. Before I get started, I'm trying to get my videos to reach a broader audience, so be sure to like and subscribe for continued content. So first off, NASA's budget isn't what you think it is. I think people assume that NASA eats away at way more money than they actually do. NASA gets 0.5% of the US federal budget. That's a tiny fraction compared to other spending like the military. And all that money that does go to NASA, it stays right here on Earth. It creates jobs in engineering, manufacturing, and science. And those workers spend their money on food, housing, and local businesses, so space exploration has never hurt our economy, it's only helped. Another thing that many people don't realize is that the technology we use every day has roots in space exploration. The GPS on our phones and in our car, that's space tech. Weather satellites that predict storms, that's space tech as well. Medical imaging machines that save lives, that's also space tech. As humans, we solved all these problems for space, but we ended up creating tools that improved our life here on Earth. Even the water purification system that was developed for astronauts, that's now used in disaster zones here to provide clean drinking water. The truth to this matter is that we don't need to choose between exploring space versus solving problems on Earth. These are completely separate issues with separate budgets. And forcing NASA to cut its budget wouldn't magically solve our problems on Earth. If anything, the industries that cause the most harm to the planet, like factories and industrial plants, these are far bigger issues than the rockets we're launching. Earth will always have problems, this part will never change. But it's not a reason to stop exploring the world. Because throughout history, we have always explored. If we never crossed oceans or built planes, where would we be? Yes, it comes with lots of risk, but it has always came with incredible rewards too. And I think this is the part that most people miss.